Hi, my name is Jan Cook. I'm Senior Advisor with voquzlabs. Today I'm going to be explaining how to validate your support and maintenance invoice charges for SAP. SAP support and maintenance is payable annually in advance. SAP customers are usually invoiced for their annual support and maintenance renewal in Q4 in advance of year end. But how can you be sure your invoice is correct and that you're being charged the correct amounts? For customers who've been running SAP for a long time, with a rich and complex purchasing history, numerous order forms, exhibits, addendums, credits, terminations and exchanges to account for, it can be difficult to know for sure if your annual support and maintenance charges are correct. So where do you start? Support and maintenance fees are chargeable against all software licenses purchased. So to calculate the support and maintenance invoice, SAP need to account for every effective order form in the agreement and the maintenance fees payable with respect to each of those order forms. The schedule to each order form documents the software licenses purchased and the license fees, and the maintenance base is calculated from the total net license fee for the licensed software. The maintenance base is displayed on each order form, and the annual support and maintenance fees for each order form are calculated accordingly. Typically this will be at 22% of the maintenance base. The annual support and maintenance invoice should itemize each effective order form and the applicable maintenance fees for each one. The first check that should be done is cross-checking the invoice against the SAP purchase history. The SAP purchase history keeps track of all contract documents which are effective, replaced or terminated. Only effective order forms that contain license purchases should be itemized on the annual support and maintenance invoice. Terminated or replaced order forms should no longer appear on the invoice. You should check each order form on the invoice to make sure the maintenance base and maintenance fees have been calculated correctly. If an order form has been subject to a partial termination or credit, then this should be reflected in the invoice and the maintenance fees being charged. Cross-referencing the values in each order form with the values in the invoice may give an initial match. But checking the calculations in the order form itself may reveal that the calculations are wrong and what is being invoiced is incorrect. Lastly, it may also be the case that an order form has not been itemized in the invoice. If this is the case, then you're potentially underpaying. It requires a bit of honesty to highlight this to your SAP account executive, but if you don't, you run the risk of unpaid charges being backdated, and it's always best to be paying the correct amounts. If you need help reviewing your annual support and maintenance invoice for SAP, then you can follow the link to our contact page to get in touch with one of our experts today. Or if you have any burning questions, then you can feel free to get in touch with me directly, and my contact details will be available at the end of this video. Additionally, validation of SAP maintenance invoices and charges is a standard deliverable of our SAP contract review service. To find out more about this service, you can visit www.voquzlabs.com/advisory. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more howQ videos coming soon.